Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Teams and how to log into that. For this you have to get into the Play Store and install Microsoft Teams app. So when you type Microsoft Teams you'll just get like this, you install that, and later there's one more app, that is Microsoft Authenticator. Even this app is also required in order to use Microsoft Teams. So once you install this, just open Microsoft Teams from where you have installed. So there will be an option like this, sign in. Click on sign in. You have to type the email ID which has been given by your teacher or the school or the college. So this is a sample mail ID, student pu at svvncbse.onmicrosoft.com. So once it's typed completely with some precaution, because even a small spelling error can cause a problem. After this, click on sign in. So once you click on sign in, it asks for the password. By default, password will be given by the admin or the school or college. So this default password I have entered. So click on sign in. After that, it asks for the update of password. In the current password, give the password which is already typed or already given by the admin, and then enter the password as you wish. So I have changed the password according to my wish. New password and confirm password should be same. There should not be any difference in that. If at all there's a difference, there will be error. So once it is done, click on sign in. So once the sign in is clicked, it takes some time for loading, and a page like this it will open. So here click on next. So once you click on next, it asks for the authentication. So here there are two options. It is blurred because of some security issues. You just click on the first option. I hope you are able to see that. Click on the first option and then click next or setup. So once you click on the setup, QR code will be displayed like this, and also there will be code and there will be a HTML link or HTTP link. Copy that HTTP link and then now open the Microsoft Authenticator app. So once you open the Microsoft Authenticator app, there will be a screen like this. So all these accounts will not be showed. So you just press on this plus symbol and you choose work or school account. Once you choose work or school account, it asks for the display of QR code and or enter code manually. Click on enter code manually and just paste that URL code. Once you paste that URL code, also you have to paste the code which is there in the Teams. So you type the code and then click on next in the Authenticator app. It is blank because my screen recorder is not taking up Authenticator due to some security issues. So once all this is done, so it automatically loads here in the Teams app. So I think you can see this running screen. So once this is done, here the blue color icon will be popped up, and then click next. And once this is done, automatically this blue color will the approve notification will come. I just click on approve. So this will be from the Authenticator app. So automatically it comes, and once you approve, this logo turns into blue. You just click on that. So it shows a display like this, we are signing you in. That's all. So just clicking next, got it. So yes, you are into the Teams now. So this Teams has to be made by the teacher or the organization or the coordinators. That will be done in the backend process by your teachers, so you need not to worry about that. So some of the options I will show you, like activity, chat, in the account and all, that like this. You can change the settings and you can see the accounts to which you have logged in, and here are some of the settings like dark theme and all. And when you click on the organization, it will be like this. Okay, so you can even change your profile pic, and this is the organization, and it's not necessary for you. Well, I hope you understood this. So after all this, you have to know one thing. The class will be conducted by the teacher through the calendar. So once the teacher has booked the calendar for 1 hour, for example from 9:15 a.m. to 10:15 a.m., the teacher has to do that. by adding the different groups or different classes. That will be done by the teacher. So once the teacher has done this, like this, you'll get a notification. So since I have done it at night, so it is like 9:10 to 9:40. Okay, so you click on join, and then you'll get a screen like this. You can switch off the video, or mic should be off, and then click on join. Okay, and also you can select the output speaker or device. It is better to go with speaker, or if you use headphones, that is well and good. Just click on join, so it will connect to the meeting. Yeah, now you are into the meeting. So once you are into the meeting, there will be screen like this. Different options are there. You can switch off the camera, and once you click on that three dots option, there are different options that I'll show you. So yeah, you have to pin the screen what you have to watch. For example, if you want to watch your teacher screen, you just press and hold on the teacher screen, and then you get an option called as pin. You click on that. So once you do that, the teacher screen will be visible to you completely, and there's an option called as captions, where whatever the teacher speaks, that will be displayed on the students like this. Hello students, okay, something like this. And if you just click on the screen, the full screen will be visible to you. Okay, also multiple options are there, and it all depends on how you use. So this is the screen without any pop-ups. These are some of the options, like start recording. Okay, there's an option of recording, and there's an option called as raise your hand. Whenever you want to ask doubt, you can click on that option, and you can talk to the teacher, and you can even lower your hand. And this is where the chat can be done while the meeting is on, and you can type your questions here, like I have a doubt, or I have a questions, something like that. So you can even use this option also to talk to the teacher, or to communicate with the teacher or the person who is organizing the meeting. Like this, there are multiple options where you can get into and make use of this app completely. So it all depends on us, how do we take it. Okay, so whatever the video which has been recorded, that will be saved in the chat history, that can be viewed later, in the later point of time. At any point of time you can watch that. And yeah, I think that's all. We are done with this. So these are some of the options. You can just go ahead and check in when you really start using the app. Well, yeah, so once okay, if at all you quit the class, again you can check the calendar, and you can rejoin by clicking on the join option once again. So this I don't think you have to quit the class and then join to do some experiments and all. It's not at all necessary. Well, that's all guys. Thank you. Have a nice day.